Alright, so there's one last thing. I'm so excited! This is me, Tiffany Taylor. Today's video is in collaboration with a new decor brand named American Dream House. They were so kind enough to send me some items from their first collection ever. This is their website and just everything is super cute. I wish I can have it all. Comment below the first thing you saw that you liked. Also, make sure to check out their Instagram and their YouTube channels. All the links will be in my description box below. Now, let's start unboxing. A pillow! First we have this little pillow. It's so pretty, it has sparkly words, blue pom-poms all around. And right here it says, trust your instincts. On this side it says, wild dreams. Oh, I just love it. And it has a cute tag. This is gonna look so good on my filming set. Alright, let's keep going. With these items, I'm going to be giving my filming room a complete makeover. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss it. Now let's keep going. I want to open this, so let's get opening it. Snacks. I got two different styles. One is pink and one is yellow. This is one set. And this is how they will look on my wall. Let's check them out. These are the snaps and pink clips. Each Polaroid picture has super cute glittery details on them. Can you see it? Comment below which Polaroid is your favorite. This is the second set. These also have some glitter details on them. It looks so pretty. I really like how the pictures are so bright and colorful. Look at this one. It says totally bananas. That is so cute. Which snap is your favorite? Comment below. I can't decide. I like all of them. I love these because they're so tumbler. They're gonna look so cool in my filming room. Alright, let's open this one. Wow! It's the lights! And check out the packaging. It's so cool. It has a rainbow heart. Is rainbow. And just look at the back. These lights are gonna be blue. Blue is my favorite color. Here are the blue fairy lights. And check this out, sisters. It says, born to shine. Isn't that the cutest packaging ever? These are the lights, and it comes with this, so you can plug it in. Now, let's turn them on. Whoa, look at that, sisters. Super cool. Next, I want to open this one. What? It's the same one? I'm so happy I got two because I love fairy lights. And it has a heart and it's going to be blue again. I want my background to look so sparkly. Alright, so there's one last thing. I'm so excited. Is the eyelashes and the body's pink and it's hard. Oh, I love it. I I also got a few things that I'm going to use for my film room makeover. Let me show you. I got this. It's so cute. I got this one. A cactus. And I got this one too. And then I got this canvas because I'm going to do a painting to add to my filming room. And last I got this tree. And that is everything I got for my film room makeover. Be sure to subscribe because my makeover is next. And you don't want to miss it. I'm going to go in there. Click the logo to subscribe to American Dream House. And to shop their online store, visit AmericanDreamHouse.com.